Solid-state sodium-ion batteries are gaining traction, positioning themselves as the spunky underdog ready to challenge the reigning champion, lithium-ion. Despite some hurdles in making these batteries practical and commercial, a breakthrough might be on the horizon. A German company named Litona, founded at the Karlsruhe Institute of Technology, has just announced electrifying news. They've made a discovery that could bring these batteries into the mainstream faster than you can say Energizer Bunny. How did they achieve this, and what does it mean for the EV industry? Let's dive in and find out. Researchers in Germany have made a groundbreaking advancement in sodium-ion battery technology. These batteries could potentially surpass the widely used lithium-ion batteries in our electronics and electric vehicles. But why the shift? Scientists globally are on a quest for better, more affordable battery solutions, and sodium-ion batteries offer several advantages. Firstly, sodium, the primary element in these batteries, is far more abundant in nature than lithium, making them cheaper to produce. Secondly, sodium-ion batteries are inherently safer, being less prone to overheating or catching fire, compared to lithium-ion batteries. The latest breakthrough comes from the Karlsruhe Institute of Technology in Germany, where the research team has developed a new type of sodium-ion battery with a crucial advantage: significantly improved performance at room temperature. This is vital since many batteries struggle to operate efficiently in colder environments. Experts say this new battery has achieved one of the highest ionic conductivity readings ever recorded, referring to how easily charged particles, sodium ions in this case, can move within the battery. The faster they move, the quicker the battery charges and discharges. This high ionic conductivity makes the German team's innovation highly promising for large-scale energy storage applications, such as powering homes and businesses with renewable energy sources like solar and wind power. The secret behind this breakthrough lies in the material used in the battery called Energizer. This material contains elements like sodium, yttrium, and zirconium. The unique combination of these elements allows sodium ions to flow much more freely within the battery, significantly boosting its overall efficiency and stability. This was obtained from a recent study conducted by researchers at the Karlsruhe Institute of Technology. The study, led by Dr. Silvio Indris, a senior researcher at KIT, focused on the development of a new solid electrolyte material which has demonstrated exceptional properties for use in sodium-ion batteries. The researchers observed a bulk conductivity of up to 6.5 ms/km and a total conductivity of 3.3 ms/km at room temperature. These values represent some of the highest levels of conductivity ever recorded for sodium superionic conductors, marking a significant milestone in the quest for high-performance solid electrolyte materials. In addition to its impressive ionic conductivity, Energizer also exhibits remarkable electrochemical stability. The material is capable of withstanding voltages exceeding 10 volts, ensuring safer battery operations across a wide range of conditions. This exceptional stability is a critical factor in the development of reliable and long-lasting sodium-ion batteries for stationary energy storage applications. Dr. Silvio Indris commented on the significance of the findings, stating that the Energizer solid electrolyte represents a transformative step in the development of sodium-based energy storage technologies. He emphasized that the material not only offers superior conductivity and stability but is also compatible with scale manufacturing processes, making it a highly promising candidate for future energy storage solutions. The implications of this study are far-reaching, with potential impacts on the energy storage landscape. The development of high-performance solid electrolyte materials such as Energizer could lead to more stable and efficient sodium-ion batteries, which have the potential to reduce reliance on costly materials such as lithium and cobalt. As demand for energy storage solutions continues to grow, particularly in the context of renewable energy integration and grid stability, the availability of reliable and cost-effective battery technologies is of paramount importance. We've already discussed the exciting advancements in sodium-ion battery technology, but there's another key aspect to consider: the shift towards solid-state versions. Imagine a battery that can store more energy, charge faster, and be safer than the ones we use today. That's the promise of solid-state batteries. In traditional lithium-ion batteries, like the ones in your phone or laptop, tiny charged particles called ions travel between two electrodes through a liquid electrolyte during charging and discharging. This liquid can be flammable, posing a fire risk if the battery is damaged. Solid-state batteries, on the other hand, use a solid material instead of a liquid for the electrolyte. This solid material offers several advantages. First, it allows the battery to pack in more energy per unit volume, which means you could potentially get a longer charge on your phone or a greater driving range in an electric vehicle. The recent findings at the Karlsruhe Institute of Technology are particularly promising. Their research team developed a solid-state sodium-ion battery with a special focus on two key factors. The first is improved ionic conductivity. Remember how we talked about ions needing to flow freely for the battery to work efficiently? The Karlsruhe Institute's battery achieves a significant improvement in this area. The other factor is enhanced electrochemical stability. This basically means the battery material is more resistant to degradation over time, which translates to a longer lifespan for the battery. Senior researcher Dr. Silvio Indris emphasizes the transformative nature of these findings for sodium-ion energy storage. Also, like we said earlier, the research confirmed that the battery could withstand a voltage exceeding 10 volts, which is a significant indicator of its safety. This adds another layer of confidence in the potential of sodium-ion batteries as a reliable option for large-scale energy storage solutions. As the world continues to shift towards renewable energy sources such as solar and wind, the need for advanced energy storage solutions has become increasingly critical. The intermittent nature of these renewable sources requires efficient and cost-effective methods for storing excess energy for later use. Tesla's lithium-ion megapacks have already made significant strides in this area, but more affordable options that can store energy for extended periods are needed to further expand renewable power. Renewable energy currently provides 20% of the nation's electricity, and this percentage is expected to grow in the coming years. However, the inherent variability of renewable sources presents a challenge for grid stability and reliability. Enhanced storage solutions, such as those stemming from research at institutions like the Karlsruhe Institute, have the potential to make renewable energy more accessible and reliable. One promising development is the sodium-ion battery technology developed by researchers at the Karlsruhe Institute. This technology offers a cost-effective and scalable solution for storing renewable energy over extended periods. The researchers have highlighted the compatibility of the battery with scalable manufacturing processes, emphasizing its potential as a promising material for future energy storage solutions. In addition to grid-scale storage solutions, advanced energy storage technologies can also benefit individual consumers. Programs such as community solar, which allow homeowners to collectively invest in solar energy systems, can greatly benefit from improved energy storage options. With the ability to store excess energy more efficiently, homeowners participating in community solar programs could see even greater savings on their power bills. Furthermore, the affordability and scalability of advanced energy storage solutions can lower the barriers to entry for renewable energy adoption. Homeowners and businesses alike stand to benefit from more accessible and cost-effective energy storage options, which can help drive further expansion of renewable power. The potential impact of advanced energy storage solutions goes beyond individual consumers and extends to the broader energy landscape. By enabling greater integration of renewable energy sources into the grid, these technologies have the capacity to reduce reliance on traditional fossil fuels and lower overall carbon emissions. While there's still work to be done in fully realizing the potential of sodium-ion batteries, the research from the Karlsruhe Institute of Technology offers a compelling vision for the future. Affordable, safe, and efficient energy storage solutions are key to unlocking the full potential of renewable energy and creating a more sustainable future for our planet. What do you think about this? And when do you think sodium-ion batteries will be ready for mass production? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section.